What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Friday Fabric Finds. Today is April 26th. I'm Mitchell. I'm a manager here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
My name is Mason. I work in the receiving department.
This is a little series we like to do where we go along the newsletter with you, and then we go out in our warehouse and hands-on show you the fabric and everything included. With that said, let's get started. To start off, it is Friday, so we do have a new Friday Fat Quarter Bundle. This one is called What's Up Buttercup. It is a 6-piece Fat Quarter Bundle priced at $22.96. Features patterns of daisies, ditzy florals, and blenders, so dots, stripes, textures, and plaids, in colors of yellow, buttercream, and buttercup. If you need any yellows or anything of the sorts, make sure to go check this Fat Quarter Bundle out.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Riley Blake. It is Little Witch. A very spooky collection that we have for y'all. We have the full collection of yardage. We have felt party panels that are pre-packaged. We have patterns and 5-inch stackers. The patterns on it, there's witches and there's hats and bats and spiders and potions and pumpkins and florals. Whole bunch going on there. And we got colors of pumpkin, teal, magenta, espresso, and silver. So make sure you go check out Little Witch from Riley Blake.
Next we have Deck the Halls from Wilmington. With this group we have the full yard collection. We also have 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and the Holiday Ribbon Tree Skirt Kit. This has 12 essential prints of crisscrosses, stripes, pin dots, and ginghams, all on colors of green, red, and white. So if you need any holiday theme, maybe Christmas, make sure to go check out Deck the Halls from Wilmington.
So we have another collection from Riley Blake for y'all called Sophisticated Halloween. There's another spooky collection. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 36-inch pillow panels. We have 24-inch bunting panels. We have 10-inch stackers. We have 5-inch stackers, fat quarter bundles, wide quilt backing for. We got pillow kits and the Crow's Meow Quilt Kit. Patterns are bats, crows, spiders, and a spooktacular hand-drawn floral. Wow. We got colors of cream, orange, gray, and purple. So make sure y'all go check out Sophisticated Halloween from Riley Blake.
Next we have Ink Perfect from Art Gallery. This is a Japanese themed group with a lot of blues. With this collection we have the full yard collection, we have fat quarter bundles, and we also have 58-inch wide canvas. This has different patterns. This has Itajime, it has Sashiko, it has inked petals, it has geometric inception, cross grid onwa, round markings, you know, very Japanese themed as you can tell. That indigo canvas is a lightweight canvas with the width of roughly 58 to 59 inches, so it's a little bit past your typical 44, but not quite your 108-inch wide backing. On that note, this is called Ink Perfect from Art Gallery. Like I said, it's very Japanese themed inspired. It is a lot of indigos and whites with a bunch of different patterns. Make sure to go check this out.
All right, next for y'all, we have a kit that is currently on sale from Deborah's Garden. It's the Feathered Star Quilt Kit. It is usually $92.96 and it is currently $66.96. So a good discount on that. So make sure,
$30 off.
Yeah, great price. Make sure you go check out the Feathered Star Quilt Kits while supplies last.
Next we have Double Bubble Kitty Trouble from Northcott. This collection has the full yard collection, has a 24-inch tote bag panel. We also have a 24-inch sewing panel and the Trick or Treat Quilt Kit. This group is perfect for Halloween and any cat lovers because it has a lot of cat prints on it and it is Halloween themed. So I'm talking cats with pumpkins, I'm talking cats with hats, you know, anything with cats like that. There's also other prints, of course, with some candies and stuff. These are all in the color schemes of purple, green, orange, and black, so your typical Halloween colors. So if you're interested in any cats in Halloween, go make sure to check out Double Bubble Kitty Trouble from Northcott.
Next for y'all is a Timeless Treasures collection, which is Advice from a Sunflower. We have the full collection of yardage. We have 24-inch panels and the message board quilt kits. The patterns in this are sunflowers, daisies, stripes, and blenders, such as spots, buffalo check, and watercolor textures. The colors are yellow, green, cream, and black. So make sure you go check out Advice from a Sunflower from Timeless Treasures.
Next, we have some 108-inch wide backing from Timeless Treasures. This is just a group with 11 different 108-inch wide backings and a wide array of colors with different patterns. You can have some with the Northern Lights, there's some with pine cones, there's some with seashells, there's some with just watercolor, some clouds, some writing. So, you know, it's kind of everywhere, all over the place. So any kind of 108-inch you're interested in, make sure to go check out the Timeless Treasure. Make sure to go check out the 108-inch quilt. Make sure to go check the 108-inch wide. Make sure to go check out the 108-inch.
You off your game today, dog? What's happened? What's happened? You don't have time. You never have this problem of having to repeat this many times. Breathe.
That's him that needs to breathe. I'm chilling.
Man's a tomato over there.
So make sure to go check out 1OH quilt backings from Timeless Treasures.
And as we end every episode, we have the April bargains to talk to y'all about. So that's just the remnants that we could have for sale, the kits, the notions, and who knows what else could be included on that. It's updated every single day with new things. So make sure you go check out the April bargains to see what you can get your hands on for a discounted price.
And that's going to do it this week for Friday Fabric Finds. Thank you for coming and watching. If you enjoyed this whatsoever, make sure to hit that like button. There's also a subscribe button with a bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, make sure to go add it into our comments box down below. We do read that and respond to it as much as we can. With that being said, though, I think that's going to do it for this week. Thanks for coming and watching, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.